Navigating the world of skincare can be an overwhelming experience, especially for teenagers grappling with hormonal changes and the complexities of adolescent skin. The sheer volume of products, conflicting advice, and daunting price tags often leave teens feeling confused and discouraged. But fear not, skincare enthusiasts. Contrary to popular belief, maintaining healthy, radiant skin doesn't require a complicated regimen or a hefty investment in expensive products. With a few simple steps and a handful of affordable essentials, you can achieve clear, glowing skin that's uniquely yours. Do's: the building blocks of a radiant routine. 1. Cleanse twice daily. Cleansing is the foundation of any skincare routine, and for good reason. It removes dirt, oil, impurities, and makeup residue that can clog pores and lead to breakouts. Choose a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type, whether it's normal, dry, oily, or combination. Avoid harsh soaps or cleansers that can strip away natural oils, leaving your skin feeling tight and uncomfortable. 2. Restore balance with toner. After cleansing, a toner is the next step to restore your skin's pH balance. This crucial step helps remove any remaining impurities and prepares your skin to absorb the benefits of your moisturizer and other skincare products. Opt for an alcohol-free toner that's formulated with gentle ingredients. Avoid toners that contain harsh chemicals or alcohol, as these can irritate and dry out your skin. 3. Moisturize for soft, supple skin. Moisturizing is essential for maintaining hydrated, healthy skin. It helps replenish lost moisture, prevent dryness and flaking, and keep your skin soft and supple. Choose a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer that suits your skin type. Avoid heavy, greasy moisturizers that can clog pores and lead to breakouts. 4. Shield your skin with sunscreen. Sun protection is non-negotiable, regardless of your age or skin type. Harmful UV rays from the sun can cause premature aging, wrinkles, sunspots, and even skin cancer. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 every morning, even on cloudy days. Reapply sunscreen generously throughout the day, especially if you're spending time outdoors. 5. Spot treat breakouts. Breakouts are a common concern for teenagers, but there's no need to panic. Spot treatments can help clear up pimples and reduce inflammation. Look for spot treatments that contain ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide. These ingredients help kill acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation. Don'ts. Avoid these common skincare pitfalls. 1. Overexfoliation, the road to irritation. Exfoliation is important for removing dead skin cells and promoting skin cell turnover. However, overexfoliating can strip away natural oils, leading to dryness, irritation, and sensitivity. Stick to exfoliating once or twice a week, depending on your skin type. Use a gentle scrub or chemical exfoliant, and avoid over-scrubbing or using harsh exfoliating products. 2. Product overload. Simplicity is key. With so many skincare products available, it's tempting to try everything at once. However, this can overwhelm your skin and lead to irritation or breakouts. Keep your routine simple and focus on the basics: cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Add new products slowly, one at a time, to see how your skin reacts. 3. Sleeping and makeup, our recipe for breakouts. Sleeping with makeup clogs pores, traps dirt and impurities, and can lead to breakouts and other skin problems. Make it a habit to remove your makeup thoroughly every night before bed. Use a gentle makeup remover or micellar water to ensure all traces of makeup are gone. Follow up with your regular cleansing and moisturizing routine. Embrace your unique skin. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Experiment with different products and find what works best for your individual skin type and concerns. Listen to your skin and adjust your routine accordingly. If you experience any irritation or discomfort, stop using the product immediately and consult a dermatologist or esthetician. Maintaining healthy, radiant skin doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With a simple and affordable skincare routine, you can achieve clear, glowing skin that's uniquely yours. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your routine and you'll start to see noticeable results in no time.